The soldiers of the 3rd Explosive Ordnance Disposal Battalion stand proud on Watkins Field at Joint Base Lewis-McChord as their outgoing commander hands the reins to the incoming commander.
Consider myself to be truly blessed. I had the opportunity to work with some of the finest professional soldiers in the United States Army.
As Lieutenant Colonel Davis leaves the 3rd EOD, Lieutenant Colonel Stephen Kavanaugh takes the ropes.
It's an honor and humbling to assume command of such a great organization.
Davis moves on to become the Deputy Commanding Officer for the 71st EOD at Fort Carson, Colorado. Reporting from the 7th Infantry Division on Joint Base Lewis-McChord, I'm Army Sergeant Ashland Ferguson.
Take charge of the battalion.